welcome back to the Kia Hyundai channel. My name is Gabby. This is the 2023 Kia Niro EV Limited, and today we're going to show you 5 useful tips and tricks that you can incorporate in your day-to-day life with your personal Kia or Hyundai vehicle. Now, not all 5 of these features may be available in your specific vehicle, but hopefully at least one of them is, and you can try it out. Let me know if you do and if it works for you. All right, let's get into it. Okay, first up on our list, this is how you can control your windows with your key fob. So on select vehicles, you can actually open them and close them using either the unlock or lock button, but on the Niro, you can only drop down the front 2 windows. All you have to do is press unlock and hold it for about 3 seconds and check out our windows. They go down. This is great for venting out your car right before you hop in on a hot summer's day or whatever else you need your windows open for.
Alright, so the next feature that we want to show you guys is actually with Digital Key to Touch. Now, this is a new feature. It was introduced in 2023, and a lot of people still can't quite seem to figure it out, but that's okay. So if you are looking to unlock your vehicle and it has this feature, what you want to do is, without using the key, if you have your key in your bag or anything like that, if you slide your hand just behind the handle, it's going to open it up for you. And then if you want to go ahead and lock the vehicle, you just touch where the outlet is, with a little inlet, I'll say, and then it locks it back up. And this vehicle has the power folding mirrors, so it's very easy to show you guys all that.
All right, so our next trip might be a little bit confusing, but I'm going to try my best to break it down for you guys. Kia and Hyundai both have these great safety features called lane keep and lane follow assist. Very similar, but very, very different. You may love one and hate the other, or hate them both, or love them both. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn them on or off with one singular button, because we don't have 2 buttons anymore. Alright, so now that we know that our lane keep and lane follow assistance are controlled by the same single button, no more separate buttons, let's talk about how it works. So you can see that I have both systems on right now. I'm going to go back to this button and press and hold it. Now when I hold this for around 3 seconds, it's going to control my lane keep assistance. If I press it shortly, the quick press, it's going to control my following assistance. So now I have them both off. To get them both back on, short press and a long press. And now we're back in business. I have all my safety features re-engaged. This is super easy to use. You don't have to dig through any settings in your main screen over here. You don't have to reach for a button that's not there. It just takes a little bit of getting used to. Stay tuned for our next trick.
All right, so with quick tip number 4 is that in a lot of Kia and Hyundai's new vehicles is they have this all-in-one screen where you can flip it between your climate control and then also your infotainment. But if you prefer having one available to the other, what you can do is you can actually have it set so that you can have one or the other. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of the buttons and you're going to hold it down. And you're going to hold it down for a while until this screen comes up. And it says return to the selected displays when the other display times out. So that means it'll default to either the infotainment or the climate, whichever one you choose, or you can simply turn it off if you want to just keep switching between them. So I'm going to set it for climate because I have the controls that are on my steering wheel for media.
All right, last but not least, and I promise this one's quick, our sunroof. So if your vehicle is equipped with a shorter sunroof, you can actually gain a little extra space from what Kia says or what Hyundai says is fully open. So it'll stop at around here, but if I go to press my sunroof one more time towards the back, I gain a little extra room. Now that's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick tips and I hope they're usable in your Kia or Hyundai vehicle. If you want more videos like this or if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.